Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about walkthrough. It is often important to have a look how our building will look actually from the inside and outside. To do that, walkthrough is a very great tool provided by Revit. All you have to do is go to this default 3D view and select walkthrough. Once you select it, you'll find an arrow over here. Start from anywhere you want and you will find the projection. This projection will be the site. Click to start and then move your cursor in the direction you want to take it. Click at the edges. I'll recommend you to do a walkthrough in such a manner that it contains the entire view of your building. After being done, click on this Finish Walkthrough. Your walkthrough has been done. To edit it, you can always click on Edit Walkthrough and do it, but we won't edit it right now. I'll just click on this Modify button. Now, to produce your walkthrough is very important. Go here at the project browser and click on Walkthroughs. All the walkthroughs that you have produced will be here. Click on any of them, and when you double click it, it will appear. From this display, currently hidden line is selected. I'll select the realistic. Now we'll go to this program button, go to export, and from here I'll select images and animations and select walkthrough. It will ask for frame per second. Let it be. If you want to include date and time, you can include it. Click OK. Then it will ask for the location. Select the walkthrough. Name it whatever you want to. I'll make it default and click on Save. It will ask for the video compression. I'll choose the default. Click OK. Here you'll see the progress, and here you'll see the walkthrough. It will take some time to load, so be patient. Now it is ready. Let's open it. So this is the AVI file which contains our walkthrough, and here it is. It has to be like you can include the entire path of your building. So this was the tutorial on how to create a walkthrough and export it into AVI format. Thank you.